Hi, my name is Heather and I'm here today to show you how to make, in my opinion, a gastronomic delight. Today I'm going to show you how to make bliss balls. And I must say that this is for entertainment purposes only, because I do love the word entertainment. It's fun, joy, happiness. So let's get started. It's nice and crumbly. And what I'm going to do now is add the mixture to this bowl and add the bowl to the fridge while we make the chocolate. Okay, so now we have about 2 centimeters of water cooking slowly, and I'm adding a stainless steel pot to that, plus about 1.5 cups of chocolate. I like to use dark chocolate. Just let that cook slowly and stir it intermittently until chocolate has melted. I would like to complete this with a spiritual message. You are an infinite being of light with tremendous strength and are yearning to shine like exquisite stars in the sky, climbing to greater and greater heights. One can achieve this wholeheartedly by melting away fear, doubt, and standing in one's truth. You were not created to be that of a lesser being. You are part, in fact, an intricate part of all the beautifully woven tapestry created, as all living creatures are, from that of love, the essence of which is in each and every one of you. The true essence of the God source is in every living being. By remembering this, you become the reflection of all that is and ever will be. There is no greater time than now to fully embrace this energy of love. Live it, breathe it, smell it, taste it, and by doing so, you create and co-create that which is sanctimonious to all life. So the chocolate has now melted, and now I'm taking one of the bliss balls and placing them inside the chocolate, like so. Moving it around like that, and plop it on side, like so. And just keep doing that with them all, like so. Once you've dipped the bliss balls in the chocolate, add a few rose petals, dried rose petals that are edible, and place them in the fridge. And when the chocolate has hardened on the outside, then share far and wide with those whom you love and those who just like bliss balls. Thank you so much. In order to really enhance this incredible powerhouse, this gastronomic delight, then dark chocolate is necessary. Dark chocolate is rich in zinc, iron, phosphorus and copper, and is amazing. A big thank you to all my listeners, and if you like this presentation, please press the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.